Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for October 12. The Health Ministry is increasing the budget to fight the spread of dengue fever. Portfolio Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson revealed Thursday that nearly $12 million had already been spent on various anti-dengue activities and another $14 million would be expended in the coming months. Up to September 29, there have been 1,215 suspected cases of dengue, with 5 suspected deaths and only 1 confirmed so far. In response, the Health Ministry is heightening its fogging and source reduction activities, while a major public education campaign is underway.
I want to assure the public that the Ministry is doing all it can at this time to limit the impact of dengue fever on the population. We ask that you take your responsibility to search for and destroy breeding sites around your home seriously.
The Transport and Works Ministry has opened the Rio Grande Bridge in Portland after nearly 2 years of construction by the China Harbor Engineering Company. The 210 meters long bridge connects East and West Portland. During construction, China Harbor Engineering says it trained over 200 persons on the job in welding, steelwork, and related areas of bridge building.
So impressed have we been with the skills of some of the Jamaicans. We continue to employ them on the Westmoreland Bridge project.
Transport and Works Minister Dr. Omar Davies, meanwhile, gave a commitment that his ministry would be pursuing infrastructure projects on the basis of the most urgent need and the ability to stimulate additional economic activity.
But more important, we are seeking to find out how we can entice private sector investment into areas which were once seen as the exclusive province of government.
Government will be equipping and transforming the Bellevue Hospital in Kingston and psychiatric wards of the country's hospitals into centers that can best care for the mentally ill. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson made the announcement earlier this week. He said while there would always be a need to institutionalize some patients, the new focus had to be care in the community. The minister was speaking at the World Mental Health Day conference held at the Jamaica Conference Center on October 10. He pointed out that the National Mental Health Policy and the mental health legislation were undergoing revision and that a mental health handbook would be launched soon. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund JSIF and the Heart Trust NTA are teaming up to train 90 inner-city youths in a range of disciplines. The JSIF Heart Skills Training Program is targeting young people in 6 of the 12 communities benefiting from JSIF's Inner-City Basic Services project. A memorandum of understanding was signed earlier this week to provide them with Heart Trust Level 1 and 2 training in food preparation, general construction, plumbing, electrical installation, business administration, cosmetology, and data operations.
We have created a ladder that will allow you, over time, and with your own ability and potential, to move up the ladder all the way through to the university system if you wish. If you wish to stop, you will also have the skills that will be able to ensure that you can employ yourself or employ others.
And finally, agro-processors are to benefit from the staging of a 5-day conference on international food standards. The Bureau of Standards is organizing the 26th session of the Codex Committee on Processed Fruits and Vegetables beginning next week. It's expected to examine the proposed draft Codex standards for selected canned fruits and frozen vegetables, as well as sampling plants and food additives.
So it behooves any company that is involved in exportation to meet that standard, otherwise their products would not be accepted by the United States.
The conference, targeting importers, producers and processors, will be held from October 15 to 19 at the Hilton Rose Hall Hotel in Montego Bay. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.